2019 Volkswagen Jetta for the first time is a typical experience. For one, we're in Arizona, at the company's proving grounds, a 1,600-acre facility surrounded by massive walls designed to keep folks like us out. Inside are two Jetta prototypes, pre-production cars really, swathed in swirly camouflage with heavy blankets covering most of the dash and center console. And yet, here we are. Invited to a place we've never been before, although relieved of our cameras and smartphones, for security purposes. Now, other manufacturers have had us to their secret proving grounds on similar adventures, but Volkswagen hasn't in recent memory. At a minimum, it's an unusual move for an automaker, entailing lots of risk that we might see something before we're supposed to. It's fascinating to take a peek behind the curtain. The familiar 1.4-liter turbocharged inline-4 is present, but there was a surprise out back, a torsion beam. Unless this pre-production car had a strange mishmash of equipment, it seems like all Jettas will return to this suspension setup. To be completely fair to VW, torsion beams are very attractive from a cost and packaging perspective, and the Jetta's trunk was cavernous. VW North American engineering chief Matthias Erb told us, in a characteristic moment of frankness, that VW's reliance on turbocharged engines means it's at a bit of a disadvantage in terms of per unit cost. Saving some money in an area that a typical commuter almost certainly won't notice isn't a terrible idea. Honestly, if this ends up on a future GLI, though, we reserve the right to complain. The problem is, the Jetta is best when it's a niche product. It started out as a Golf with a trunk, and the company didn't build a cult following by diluting the essence of its core products. Moving to the Golf's MQB platform is a great step. A real GLI, with an independent rear suspension and moves to match its Golf sibling, would cast an air of Europhilic legitimacy to the whole line, a unique selling proposition in a segment that really could use one. Look at Subaru's success sticking to all-wheel drive and boxer motors in the most vanilla segment around. Americans deserve vehicles with a soul, even commuter appliances. We need more seat time to determine if VW captured the mojo on this one, and we need to see what kind of price point it comes in at. Until then, VW's latest creation will remain metaphorically wrapped in a mysterious swirly vinyl wrap.
Subscribe, like, share and comment.